Speaking of election preparations, the Bomas of Kenya is set to hold an all-opposition parties congress tomorrow in what political pundits predict will mark the beginning of a joint opposition political rallies countrywide, culminating in the unveiling of a single opposition presidential candidate. ATN News senior political reporter Duncan Hayamba will be covering that for us tomorrow and now has the latest ahead of the meeting.
Wednesday, 11th January 2017 marks yet another chapter of history in the making as key opposition parties troop to the Bomas of Kenya for a joint opposition congress that might as well be a game changer for the August general election should everything fall in place for team opposition.
We will not allow Jubilee to create unpredictable systems for predictable outcome.
To set the ball rolling on Tuesday, ANC party held its National Executive Committee to adopt a party position to be presented at the Bomas meeting.
Given that a credible election is an indispensable proposition in Kenya's nascent democracy, Amani National Congress will work with other Kenyans desirous of a credible election.
As the ANC party leader Musalia Mudavadi clarified why stakes are high for the Bomas meeting.
This meeting that is key for opposition unity will brainstorm and develop strategies that will guarantee a credible election.
But even as he pushes for a super alliance, his fishing expedition continued as he received more aspirants in the party, among them former minister and firebrand Cherangani Member of Parliament Kipruto Arap Kirwa, who is now ANC Deputy Party Leader, Amina Keinan and William Kirwa, among others, who will contest for various seats on the ANC party ticket.
We are back in town and we want to do politics, and most important, as we do our politics, let us think about national integration.
I think in northern Kenya we need Amani this time. Peace is at the bottom for us.
Kirwa, who has been in the cold politically for nearly a decade, is now telling Kenyans to expect an interesting turn of events politically.
I'm confident that Jubilee must brace itself for a serious battle, because we are not in this just to challenge them. We are in this to appropriate power and give Kenyans a clear dispensation that is different from what they are doing.
ANC has been pushing for a super opposition alliance, a push that seems to be bearing fruit. It appears for ANC party the strategy is to have as many aspirants as possible joining the party before teaming up with other opposition parties, the latest entrant being former Cherangani Member of Parliament Kipruto Arap Kirwa. Duncan Hayamba, KTN at Amani House.